Welcome to episode 1 of our Transatlantic vlog series with Holland America. Please subscribe to our channel and select the bell to receive notifications of our new content. Thank you.
First Transatlantic. I'm excited.
I'm very excited. Back to back on Holland America. We just came off Rotterdam and we're headed to Rotterdam in the Netherlands. Yeah, I don't know what else, but we're ready to go. Port Everglades is probably the busiest port in the world in terms of passenger ships and traffic. It's a gorgeous day. We're headed out on Holland America Rotterdam to its namesake city, Rotterdam, Netherlands, and couldn't be happier. It's going to be an amazing time. Over the next 6 days at sea, there is plenty to do, if desired. First and foremost, Holland America put quite an effort into music offerings.
I see what you just did here. She said, I'm hot. Let's stick my head in front of this fan. You trying to take my job, miss?
She packed my bags last night, we fly. Zero hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be high as a kite by this. I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife.
Hey Justin, we have something for you.
Wasn't the spring, and spring became the summer. There we are. Who believe you'd come along? Hands up in the air if you feel like it. Come on. Hands, touching hands, reaching out, and touching me, touching.
Say hi to my friend Justin Britton. He hates this song.
Justin! Oh, Steve hates this song too.
With so many sea days and the food, it's always good to get a bit of exercise. Holland America's thing really is music. Tonight we're in the Rolling Stone Rock Room and it should be amazing. Piano guy a few nights ago was great. The blues, phenomenal. So we'll see what these guys have. We've heard them, we just haven't sat in on a show yet. Stay tuned.
FBI, what account?
What's?
Yeah, what's your account? YouTube account?
Yes, I do.
We will subscribe in there.
Tell me about your home. Where are you guys from?
We're from the Philippines! Hi!
Tell me why.
Shout out to my girlfriend, Nika Palas.
That's
and
a good choice.
My family out there.
So where are we today right now, guys?
We are here in
Ponta Delgada.
Ponta Delgada.
After 6
Portugal.
days at the sea, we're going to the port finally.
Very happy crew members indeed. So as you heard, we're in Ponta Delgada, Azores. Never been here before. We're gonna go see some nature stuff, a crater and a lake, and a few other things I can't quite remember right now. Those guys were fun, and that's what it's all about, is engaging the different crew, cultures, whatever we see. Today we'll be exploring a volcanic crater and a pineapple farm. The farm's greenhouses are heated only with geothermal energy, abundantly available as the Azores sit in an active geothermal zone where the North American, African, and Eurasian plates meet.
No, 46 mesmo. Yeah, I didn't know. Comprehend.
Thank you.
All the same, sir. Pineapple liqueur made here in the farm.
Pineapple liqueur. We'll get a second opinion.
Not the rest of it. It's like everything in life. You like some, you don't like others.
Right.
It has a bit of a first strong impression.
Oof. That'll wake you up.
The history of pineapple cultivation is pretty interesting here, and the liqueur is really good. Holly didn't care for it. It's been a good day. What did you think of Ponta Delgada?
Beautiful. Very green. Beautiful flowers. They really like their vegetation.
Well, speaking of vegetation, I see that you love the pineapple alcohol. Want some more? You want more?
No, I think I'll pass on that one.
Okay. We hope you've enjoyed this video. In our next episode, we explore Brest, France, and Portland, England. We have lots of cruise content on our channel, so why not watch another video after this? Thank you for watching.